speaking. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation for 2 nights.
Certainly, can you please provide me with the check-in and check-out dates?
We will be checking in on November 11 and checking out on November 13.
Great! And how many guests will be staying?
Just 2 guests.
Thank you. Would you like to include any special special requests or preferences for the room?
Yes, if possible, a room with a nice view would be great.
Noted. May I have your credit card information to secure the reservation?
Sure, it's a credit card ending in 1234.
Thank you. Your reservation is confirmed. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Check-in po ba, sir? Wala lang po mag-park ng motor niyo.
Good morning to morning, sir. Welcome to SNR Hotel. How may I help you?
I have a reservation.
Okay po, ma'am, sir. This is the
Good morning, ma'am and sir. Welcome to the SNR Hotel. How may I assist you today?
I have a reservation under my name, Jan Pierre Austria.
Let me check that for you. Yes, I see your reservation for a single room for 2 nights at 7,500 pesos per night. Can I please have your ID and credit card for incidentals?
Sure, here.
Thank you. Your room is ready. It's located on the 3rd floor, room 305. Please your... Sorry.
Great. What amenities do you offer?
We have a complimentary breakfast from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. If you need anything else during your stay, feel free to call the front desk.
Thank you so much.
Good morning, sir, ma'am. We are here to assess your luggage. Please follow me. Okay, sir, if you have any requests or problem, don't hesitate to call in front of us. Please enjoy in our hotel.
Thank you.
Housekeeping. I'm just checking if you need any service today.
Yes, could you please clean up and can we get some extra towel?
Absolutely, we will take care of that right away.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, we would like to check out this.
Of course, may I have your room number?
It's room 305.
Thank you. Let me pull up your bill.
Yes, sure.
Your total comes to 15,000 for 2 nights. Would you like to settle this with your credit card?
Yes, sure.
Please sign in to confirm the payment. Thank you. You are all set.
Thank you so much.
Good morning, sir. Ma'am, would you like some help with your bags?
Yeah, sure.
Can we talk about us like we care about us? Can we talk about love like we care about love? You say let it breathe, but this pain in my heart can't let it be. We both can agree. Tell me what is the point of nothing burns like a cold day.